Did you know that Manito Park used to have a zoo? And if you thought walking the wild zoo was good, wait until you get a load of Manito. I mean, it had murderous monkeys, tobacco addicted donkeys, and some other bad stuff that happened. So the South Hill was originally called Montrose, which means Mountain of Roses. But then it was rebranded to Manito, which means Spirit of Nature, because they wanted to build a residential development area up here, and they needed an attraction for the trolley line when it came up to the South Hill. They started building trails and putting up fences, and they accidentally fenced in a family of beavers, and people took note and they started coming up to Manito Park to just watch the beavers. The city of Tacoma found out that we had a zoo, so they sent us a full-grown bull elk named Preach. And they didn't want Preach to be lonely, so they gave him a roommate. They got a little goat named Billy, but Billy loved tobacco. Billy wasn't the only one with a tobacco problem. They also had a donkey that got addicted to tobacco, and people thought it was funny, so they kept bringing him tobacco to eat all the time. Built bear pits, and they brought in all sorts of animals like coyotes and monkeys and moose, and they had grizzly bears and black bears and even polar bears. And in 1923, a young girl named Elizabeth Harris reached into the polar bear pit and got her arm eaten off. And then the monkeys thought it would be funny to take the coyote puppies that were next door and throw them into their water dish, and eventually one of the monkeys drowned two of the coyote pups. So the neighbors weren't very happy with the zoo. They took horrible care of the animals, and they eventually shut it down in 1935. You can still see remnants of the bear pits. There's a bar right here, and then there's another bar right down here. And so now you know why Spokane can't have zoos.